Welcome to 316 Saluda Springs Road. This charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, fenced backyard, as well as LVP flooring, tile and granite countertops inside is located in the Saluda Springs neighborhood in Lexington, just off of 378 or Sunset Boulevard. Also convenient to I-20 and I-26, Lexington and Columbia amenities, and Lake Murray. So right out front, you can see attractive brick face home from the front. You have a nice 1-car garage with a carriage style door. Nice driveway here, tree in the front yard, and some nice landscaping as well as you approach the front door. So you have nice columns on either side of the covered front porch, side lights on either side of the front door for some natural light in the foyer as well. So as we step inside into the foyer, so you have nice high ceilings downstairs, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the downstairs. You have tile in the bathroom down here. So you can see a nice size foyer as you come in. Stairs going up to the second level where the bedrooms are. You have some chair rail molding in the foyer there as well. And then access to the 1-car garage here just off the entry hall. You have a small vehicle parked inside right now, or a compact car size. You can see the size of the garage. And then you sort of enter in more into the main living space of the home. On the way to that open floor plan living, dining, and kitchen area, you have a coat closet here, as well as a half bathroom off of this hallway. So you have a single vanity and commode in here, as well as your laundry closets. You have a washer and dryer connection side by side, and some shelving above. So nice use of that space downstairs. And then your open floor plan living area here with the living room, the ceiling fan, open to the kitchen, and also the dining area on the other side here. We see the fixture. You have the gas log fireplace with a nice tile surrounding the mantle. And then you can see in the kitchen here, we have the counter bar off of the dining area, as well as granite countertops. And you have an included side-by-side refrigerator, above range microwave, smooth top electric stove, and also a dishwasher here, and white cabinets. You also have some recessed lighting, and you have crown molding in this space as well. And again, just the dining area there, and then access to your backyard space is here. You have a patio out back, nice privacy fencing, and the yard does sort of back up, if you can see there, to a sort of a green, just an area of green space with some trees planted for a little bit of privacy. Actually, we'll pop you around the corner there just so you can see the yard does extend to the left there and does actually wrap around onto the side of the home. There's a gate on the left side of the property. You can access the backyard from the outside as well. So we'll take a look upstairs now. You have carpeting starting here on the stairs. As we go up to the second level, in the hallway you have an attic pull down. There's some possible storage there. The primary suite is to the right as you come off the stairs. It faces the back of the home, sort of runs along the back length of the property. You can see it's a nice size room, sort of almost double size. You have a walk-in closet here on this left side, or on this side of the door, and then on the opposite side you have your primary bathroom suite, and you have double sinks in here, large countertop, also a garden tub and shower. Some nice built-in shelving there in the shower enclosure, and then also commode, and then you have some storage here, nicely built in inside the side of the vanity and mirror as well. There's also a ceiling fan in here. I believe you have that in all 3 bedrooms. You do. And second full bathroom off the hall. Again, a tile flooring in here. And then your second and third bedrooms are front facing. This one wraps around, has a little extra space there with an alcove off of that area. Size closet, linen closet here in the hall as well. Right to the left of our third and final bedroom. And then you can see the closet on the opposite wall there. So that does complete our tour of this home. Again, the address is 316 Saluda Springs Road in Lexington. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.